She brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to add me on Instagram at Rich Off Makeup. Now let's get into this look. Oh yeah, let me take the scarf off real quick. And y'all, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I just been, life been lifing, but we're just gonna get into this look right now. So, I'm going in with some duo lash glue and gluing down those brows. This is my second voiceover, y'all, so, don't be so rough on your girl. I don't know if I want to continue to do voiceovers or just add music. I really don't know. I honestly don't like how I sound in videos. Y'all know, yeah. But I don't know. This is supposed to be a tutorial, but it's going pretty fast, and I don't know why, because I did not speed nothing up. But yeah, so we done concealed underneath the eyes. We got our base down, glued the brows down. We're going in with some browns from the Juvia's Place palette. And this is like the second darkest shade I'm going in. Second darkest brown shade I'm going in. And just deepening up that crease because I want it to look more, deep right there. Have some contrast. Now I'm going back in with that first brown that I used as my transition color. And I'm just buffing that back out again. And then I'm stamping in some concealer. This I did not speed up. Like I said, I didn't speed up nothing in this video. I work pretty fast, I guess. I don't know. But maybe I'm going to need to slow it down. Because now that I'm doing this voiceover, it's not... I don't know. I don't have enough time to speak, I guess. So yeah, I'm just stamping that in. And I'm going in with this salmon looking color from that same palette. I really like this pink. I was trying to use just one palette, eyeshadow palette. Because usually I dibble and dabble in like 5 different palettes. But I wasn't about to do all that with this look. I think I was going somewhere. That's why I was just like in a rush. And I had just got my lashes done. Shout out to my girl Breda Lash Co. on IG. That's my girl. She's the only one who do my lash extensions. She has really great work. She's located in St. Clair Shores off 9 Mile and Harper. Definitely recommend. Tell her Bree sent you. But yeah, I'm still just going in with this pink, trying to build up that color. You really want to make sure you're patting in pigmented colors because you want it to stick. And if you don't, it's going to look very blotchy. Like, it's not even going to stick right to the base. And I'm just finishing up this part. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to continue to do voiceovers, y'all. My first one was okay. I don't know. I think this one is just so fast. Like, I don't got time to talk to y'all, tell y'all nothing, like, each step or nothing. But I'm going back in with the dark brown, the second darkest brown I used for this look, just to, blend everything in. You always want to go back and blend some more. Then I'm taking that light brown, blending all that out. And I'm going into my brow area just a little bit. It helps, like, give me a guide when I go to contour my nose. Blend, 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 blend. My lashes were so cute. But y'all, this video, it's all... I done dyed my hair and everything. I was using that e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Go away! I'm trying to see this why I don't think I'm gonna do voiceovers no more. These kids. Ooh, child. And I'm using foundation, my foundation shade, to conceal my top brow. I've been doing this lately. I don't know, I don't do well when I conceal it with the concealer that I use to highlight. It's just, it don't look right to me when I do it that way. And we gonna put that foundation all over that face. Just like that. Just like that. That's crazy. Like, look how different my face looks from my skin. I have a very red undertone. Knowing your undertone is very good when you're doing your makeup. Because once you get undertones down packed, shade matching is a breeze, honestly. It took me a while to learn how to determine someone's undertones and stuff like that. Like, I went to school, like a esthetician school, and it really didn't teach me nothing for real. But, I was just learning. You learn more outside of school. Pretty much school is just to, like, get your hours, then go take your test to get your license. That's it. The only thing they really teach you about is, like, sanitation and the cause laws, the cosmetology laws, and the cos book, and stuff to know when you go to take your test for state boards. Other than that, I don't know. The school I went to, don't recommend. I do not recommend. If y'all want to know, just ask. But I ain't gonna blurt them out. But if you know what school I went to. And I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer. I love Juvia's Place, but their concealers is not it. Well, at least not for me. I don't know. Whenever I use their concealer, it just dries up so bad on my face. And I love using matte concealers. I use the e.l.f. Mattifying concealer. I use those all the time. Those are my favorites. So I don't know why this concealer wasn't doing it for me. Like, it really looked good with this look, but I've used it before and it just wasn't going right for me. Now, this is a concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer, the one I was just talking about. But obviously, it's not my shade. That's the good thing about concealers. You can use it for literally everything. To contour, to highlight. You can even use it as a foundation, girl. Now I'm just going in with a brush and blending that all in. I always start with my chin and my nose area. In the middle of my forehead, my T-zone. I always start with that to blend it out first because that gives the under eyes a chance to dry down. It's always best to let your concealer dry down a little bit and then blend it out, because if you're like me, I used to drag that all across my face, like, until I learned, you want your makeup to dry down a little bit before you blend it out, just so it could stay in the place that you need it to. Because if not, if it's wet, you're just going to be dragging it every freaking where. And don't be like that. Because I was definitely that girl. Now, I don't know, but yeah. I don't even know what I was about to say. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do voiceovers again, y'all. I feel like I done messed this up, and I done redid this voiceover like 10 freaking times. I'm not doing it again. It is what it is. So now we going. Okay. See, this is moving fast. I was just buffing out that contour. Now I'm using the same brush that I used to buff out my concealer, and I was just like drawing a line for my contour to sit on top of with my concealer. I like to do that too, and the powder method too. You take your powder and you carve out your cheekbones and stuff. It's pretty much the same thing. And I'm going in with some powder now. I know you can't tell, but I am. I use that same concealer brush and I just wiped it off on a piece of paper towel. Because, honey, we're trying to be efficient and work smarter. Who about to be washing 50 million brushes? Wipe that brush off on some paper towel. Wipe, 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 wipe. And go back in with your powder. No need to get a new brush. See how I'm using this? The same brush I used to buff out my contour. And this is the same brush I'm going to use to put my bronzer on. Work smarter, not harder. Well, that's not even working harder, but just work smarter. Like, I have a lot of brushes, but I'm the type of person, if I'm using it on my face instead of a client, if I'm using it on me, I could easily go through like 20 brushes. Like, I don't know how I do it, but I just go through like 20 brushes. It's crazy. I'm just using a smaller brush to carve out my nose. Ooh, okay, yeah. I don't know what song that was, but I was feeling it. I'm just going in with my foundation brush and going over everything. This is to just like blend everything out. Any harsh lines that ain't blending. This is a really good trick. Just go in with your foundation brush and just dab it all over your face. And now I'm doing my brows. Yes, I'm that girl. I done turned into that girl who does her brows after her foundation and stuff. See, I think it's more so because I'm using a pencil and I'm not a pencil girl. I don't like using a pencil at all. I don't like it. And I don't know why I'm not buying no more pomade. I just keep trying to give the pencil a try. Like, I done bought like 5 different brands and it's still not doing it for me. Pomade, it just gives it a more crisp, clean look. For me, the way my hands work, I guess. I don't know. Pencil, it be okay. I really don't prefer it for me. So I'm just going in with some highlight. I hit that nose, that Cupid's bow, and now we're doing the brow arch. If you know me, you know I love me some highlight, baby. I had so much natural light coming in this day, and it was just looking so perfect in this video. Yeah. Oh, I'm putting some highlight in my inner corner, even though you can't really see it. And then I'm lining my lips with like a nude. I think this is from LA Girl. I don't know. I can't remember. Do y'all want me to start doing that? Like putting what each product I use down in the description box. Let me know. Let me know what y'all want from me. I don't know. I feel like I do these for the entertainment myself, but hopefully somebody else will find these entertaining. If not entertaining, educational, you know. And this is one makeup artist. I saw her do a makeup look like this. Her name is Brianna White on Facebook. And I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I've never seen a lip combo like that before. So yeah, I give credit when it's due. And I copy. I just copy. You know, that's what makeup's all about. There's no set rules when it comes to makeup. That's why people be killing me. These so-called makeup gurus. Like, if you are a true makeup artist, you know, like, that's what makeup is about. You taking somebody else's idea and putting your own spin to it. You're taking somebody else's techniques and you're putting your own spin to it. Like, nobody invented, oh, this signature look, this signature, this, that. Nobody invented that. Makeup, that's not what makeup is about, okay? Deuces. Ah! Y'all, that little curl was bothering me this whole video. This whole time I was doing this makeup look. And I'm using my Holy Grail Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. If you know, you know. And baby, I drown myself in it, okay? Look at it. Look at that. Who is she? And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.